Hi, I'm Marco Monarch, Executive Director of Foundation Relations at the UMass Amherst Foundation. Have you ever found yourself wondering when a foundation is going to respond to your proposal and who will be evaluating it? Understanding the distinctive rhythms and protocols of foundation decision-making gives you an important context for successful engagement. Foundation funding operates through processes that are fundamentally different from federal agencies, requiring adjusted expectations and approaches. First, foundation decisions follow governance cycles. Most foundations make funding decisions through board meetings that occur quarterly, biannually, or annually. These governance calendars dictate submission deadlines, review periods, and funding announcements. When approaching foundations, identify these cycles, typically outlined on their websites or in the updated RFP guidelines, and plan for your engagement accordingly. Second, program officers and trustees play distinct roles in decision-making processes. Program officers typically serve as initial evaluators and internal advocates, while trustees or directors make final determinations. This two-tiered structure means your proposals must satisfy both the technical merit standards evaluated by staff, who are often subject experts, and the strategic alignment priorities assessed by governing boards, who are often not subject experts. Crafting proposals that address both dimensions will significantly enhance the probability of your success. Third, you should anticipate multi-stage review processes with varying levels of formality. Foundation reviewers rarely mirror federal peer review systems. Many foundations employ sequential assessment, beginning with letters of inquiry, LOIs, followed by invitation-only proposals, and culminating in site visits and/or presentations. Each stage serves as a progressive filter with distinct evaluation criteria. Understanding these sequential requirements, as well as the level of technical sophistication possessed by the reviewers in each stage, will help you to address each audience in the appropriate manner throughout the application process. Fourth, foundations balance strategic priorities against proposal portfolios. Unlike federal agencies, which fund proposals primarily on individual merit, foundations construct balanced portfolios advancing multiple strategic objectives simultaneously. Your proposal competes not only on quality, but also on how it complements other funded projects within the foundation's current portfolio. Taking this information into consideration may help you to develop a more comprehensive, compelling proposal. Finally, it's important to acknowledge that relationships can influence decision trajectories, especially in certain contexts. While maintaining rigorous evaluation standards, foundations operate with greater interpersonal flexibility than federal agencies. Establishing relationships with program officers provides opportunities for proposal refinement, honest feedback, and strategic positioning that can significantly influence outcomes. We can help you to build these relationships both in the short and long terms. Our office maintains comprehensive knowledge of decision-making processes across major foundations whose funding portfolios are relevant to UMass Amherst's research priorities. We invite you to consult with us by filling out the service request form on our website. Thanks so much for your attention, and we look forward to working with you.